Hey guys, I'm in Pro Beats, and today I want to show you a really nice feature from MELODYNE 5 that I've been using lately to pitch correct my vocals. If you enjoyed the video, please subscribe, hit the like button, let's get right into it. So the 5th version of MELODYNE was just released, and I think this brings some really cool features to the table that other pitch correction, pitch manipulation plugins are not doing right. I'm talking about S's and breaths, because I have to deal with a lot of trap vocals that are heavily pitch corrected. The one thing that I really don't like about most of pitch correction plugins is how they deal with S's and how they deal with breaths. With the new MELODYNE algorithm that's fixed, it's really important that the S's are not pitch corrected. Now I want to show you those features. This is the track that I'm going to use today.
Ich will doch nur, dass du weißt, du bist alles, was ich brauch. Ganz egal wie hoch der Preis, ich nehm das alles hier in Kauf.
The vocals are not that bad, they need some pitch correction. In Studio One, you can access MELODYNE by hitting Ctrl M if you're on Windows. And just like that, you'll have the MELODYNE editing page opened up. Let's make a 4-bar loop and zoom in. Pitch correct the vocals. You can go pitch center and correct them. You can correct the drift. This is how they sound.
Ich will doch nur, dass du weißt, du bist alles, was ich brauch. Ganz egal wie hoch der Preis, ich nehm.
You can even go further by just reducing the modulation of the notes if you want to have that strong pitch corrected sound. As you can hear, the S's, the breaths are a bit too prominent, so with the sibilance tool you can just adjust the level of S's and breaths.
Ich will doch nur, dass du weißt, du bist alles, was ich brauch. Ganz egal wie hoch der Preis, ich nehm das alles hier in Kauf. Ich will doch nur.
And you can individual adjust the breaths.
Ich will doch nur, dass du weißt, du bist alles, was ich brauch. Nimm das alles hier in Kauf. Ich will doch nur, dass du weißt, du bist alles, was ich brauch. Ganz egal wie hoch der Preis, ich nehm.
Another new really nice feature is that you have the option to make quiet notes louder and the loud notes a bit quieter. That way you have a more leveled performance and you're not hitting the compressors that hard.
Ich will doch nur, dass du weißt, du bist alles, was ich brauch. Ganz egal wie hoch der Preis, ich nehm das alles hier in Kauf. Ich brauch. Ganz egal wie hoch der Preis, ich brauch. Ganz egal wie hoch brauch. Ganz egal wie hoch der Preis brauch. Ganz egal wie hoch der Preis, ich nehm das alles hier in Kauf. Ich will doch nur, dass du weißt, du bist alles, was ich.
So yeah, I've been using MELODYNE 5 for a couple of days and it's really in my workflow because of the sibilance control and because you have the option to level the performance. It really gives you a head start for mixing. It really sounds a bit more natural because it excludes the S's and the breaths. I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, please subscribe, hit that like button. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram and see you guys really soon. Cheers.